what pop? It's your girl Yana. This is where I sincerely teach millennials on how to invest in their dreams, interests, and sustain self-help strategies. Y'all haven't done a wig review in a good little while. Okay, but this one, honey. This is actually a half wig. I ordered this from Glamourtress. I love Glamourtress. That's like my #1 place to order my wigs online. This time around, Glamourtress came super quick. I mean, last time it came quick, but this time it really came quick. Like, it really came quick. Like, I was not expecting to get the package. I was even gone. The #1 downside that I have to say, though, is it wasn't like it. You know how sometimes when you order online, the people from the company like slowly guide you into the process of your package being delivered. I didn't get that this time around. That's why I wasn't home. I mean, I had to do something anyway. I had to do something. Like, I couldn't be staying here looking for the package. I mean, waiting for the package like I did my Shein and stuff. But but yeah, they did not guide me. All of a sudden, I came home and then I saw it was sitting on the porch, and I'm like, not the porch, but on the steps, and I'm like, I'm surprised that thing was here. Get into this wig, y'all. So if y'all don't know, I go by Yana. This is sincerely Yana, right? But my real name is DYANI, right? My childhood nickname is DYANI. This wig is DYANI. Now, I heard somebody try to pronounce this as DYANI. Girl, no. It's DYANI. Period. How you doing? Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody all of that. Don't tell nobody all of that. I just got this wig because I was looking for a curly, wavy wig. I love curly, wavy wigs. Like, yeah, you can have a straight wig any day, but a curly, wavy wig, honey. So this name is DYANI. I got her in a color #2, right? So then on the back, it tells you the instructions on how to put it. Like I said, it is a half wig. So it has the different colors in the back. There's like a gold, a brown, a red, a orangish brown, a mix of brown and blonde. This is like your dirty blonde, and then this is like just brown, okay? But these are ombre, of course. So yeah, I got this from Glamourtress. I want to say she's about 24 inches, 26, give or take, inches long. It's long enough for me because I don't really like wigs super duper long. This is exactly where I would stop in length. So yeah, y'all, I have on my Ariana Grande shirt. So anywho, yeah, it stops like underneath pretty much where this picture is or whatever. So I'm 5 feet, by the way, so let me stand up. Yeah, so it stops. I'm 5 feet, so pull up, fuck it up. The half wig on top of this back braid here, and it does have adjustable straps. And then I took my headband. I got this headband from Riley Rose. I feel like this wig is super big head friendly because my head, I feel like my head is like regular sized. This thing is super big head friendly. So yes, honey, yes. As far as shedding, I haven't gotten any shedding whatsoever. Wait, hold on. Well, now that I pulled on it, I got a couple of strands. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that. I got a couple of strands from like pulling on it, but like as far as like wearing it so far, I haven't gotten any shedding. I'm not gonna put my hand through it because I don't want to get rid of the waves because I love this. Baby, girl, if you pick up, pull up, get up. That's my song. I love that song. I'm sorry, y'all. I've been playing that song recently. I love a good Eric Bellinger.
I'm going to show you guys a 360. So, this is the front. Right? Front. Side view. Front view.
I I really don't know how to describe this. It feels light, but it feels heavy. Like, you ever have, like, you don't have that many curls in your head, but the curls are heavy? That's basically what it feels like, a little bit. So, yeah. Gotta take care of this baby.
Ooh, she's so cute. Ooh, she's so cute.
But as far as me, like, pulling the hair apart, it's not, like, tangly. Yeah, so I have another wig to review that's on the way, y'all. It's going to be the Free Tress Eco Illusion in 01. Because I saw Trendy K wear it. And I was like, okay. Trendy K and then and like a couple other girls. This is the thing though, y'all. When y'all research or look at different people's wig reviews, because a lot of people, when they do their wig reviews, they'll cut it off, they'll chop it off, they're using some type of product in their wig, or they're trying to play a wig off as something else. Like, make sure y'all watch different girls that got the same wig and make sure it's somewhat similar. Like, sometimes it is gonna look different because somebody combed out their wig or something. So I made sure to look at this wig a bunch of times, and especially that illusion wig. I looked at that illusion wig at least 5 times before I ordered it. Okay? Yeah, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this wig review. I will be having another wig review. Be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. It's the red button. I also have a playlist full of hair reviews, wig reviews, hair tutorials, all that. I got a playlist. And we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so tell your friends, all that good stuff, to subscribe. I do YouTube intros, YouTube thumbnails. I do illustration, cartoon illustrations. So let's say you have a selfie of yourself and you want it to become like an illustration or a cartoon of yourself. I do that as well. You guys can also subscribe to my second channel. That's where I really do my design stuff. Because my business is Emiliana Design. Don't forget to pick up a Line by Design coloring book. It is on Amazon, helping women get back to their wants, needs, and desires. I'll see you on my next one. It's your girl, Sensationnel.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything. Get ready for transformation. I love that.